Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, I'm Leah. These are intermediate phrases that you can use in everyday life. You can use them when you travel, at work, or for your studies. They are for asking and answering questions. So after you learn these phrases, check out the link in the description where you can make an account at FrenchPod101.com and practice your French even more. Alright, let's get started. J'aimerais aller à, j'aimerais aller au. I'd like to go to the. J'aimerais aller à, j'aimerais aller au. J'aimerais aller à, j'aimerais aller au. Y a-t-il un distributeur automatique dans les environs? Is there an ATM nearby? Y a-t-il un distributeur automatique dans les environs? Y a-t-il un distributeur automatique dans les environs? Dites-moi plus sur. Tell me more about. Dites-moi plus sur. Dites-moi plus sur. Tu as bon goût. You have good taste. Tu as bon goût. Tu as bon goût. Es-tu disponible samedi prochain? Do you have time next Saturday? Es-tu disponible samedi prochain? Es-tu disponible samedi prochain? Je suis en retard parce que le bus n'est pas passé. I am late because the bus did not show up. Je suis en retard parce que le bus n'est pas passé. Je suis en retard parce que le bus n'est pas passé. Taisez-vous, s'il vous plaît. Please keep quiet. Taisez-vous, s'il vous plaît. Taisez-vous, s'il vous plaît. Avez-vous une question? Do you have a question? Avez-vous une question? Avez-vous une question? Je ne me sens pas bien. Je peux être dispensé aujourd'hui? I don't feel well. Can I be excused for the day? Je ne me sens pas bien. Je peux être dispensé aujourd'hui? Je ne me sens pas bien. Je peux être dispensé aujourd'hui? Que recommandez-vous? What do you recommend? Que recommandez-vous? Que recommandez-vous? Est-ce que ce plat contient du, de la? Does this dish contains any? Est-ce que ce plat contient du, de la? Est-ce que ce plat contient du, de la? Je ne peux pas manger, boire. I can't eat, drink. Je ne peux pas manger, boire. Je ne peux pas manger, boire. J'aime. I like to. J'aime. J'aime. Quel temps fait-il? How is the weather? Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? J'ai perdu mon, ma. I lost my. J'ai perdu mon, ma. J'ai perdu mon, ma. Puis-je m'asseoir ici? Can I sit here? Puis-je m'asseoir ici? Puis-je m'asseoir ici? Avez-vous un? Do you have a? Avez-vous un? Avez-vous un? Je cherche le, la. I'm looking for a, or the. Je cherche le, la. Je cherche le, la. Mon adresse email est. My email address is. Mon adresse email est. Mon adresse email est. Que faites-vous dans la vie? What do you do? Que faites-vous dans la vie? Que faites-vous dans la vie? Je suis allé au cinéma. I went to the cinema. Je suis allé au cinéma. Je suis allé au cinéma. Entrez. Come in. Entrez. Entrez. Mon chanteur préféré est. My favorite singer is. Mon chanteur préféré est. Mon chanteur préféré est. Quel genre de musique aimez-vous? What kind of music do you like? Quel genre de musique aimez-vous? Quel genre de musique aimez-vous? Joyeux anniversaire! Happy birthday! Joyeux anniversaire! Joyeux anniversaire! Those were 25 must-know intermediate phrases. I hope they were helpful for you. That's everything for that lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to click the link in the description to learn more French at FrenchPod101.com. Also, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye!
Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to ask and answer the question, how do you say this? After watching this video, you'll be able to ask someone how a word is pronounced. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your How to Say Something PDF cheat sheet for free. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Comment dites-vous cela?
Ça se dit parking.
Once more with the English translation.
Comment dites-vous cela?
How do you say this?
Ça se dit parking.
It's parking lot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how do you say this? That's,
Comment dites-vous cela?
listen to it again.
Comment dites-vous cela? Comment dites-vous cela?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Ça se dit
word. It's word. For example, it's parking lot.
ça se dit parking. Ça se dit parking.
Here are a few useful words you can use with the same pattern. Parking lot,
Parking. Parking.
giraffe,
Girafe. Girafe.
travel,
Voyage. Voyage.
invasion,
Invasion. Invasion.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Comment dites-vous cela?
Ça se dit girafe.
Comment dites-vous cela?
Ça se dit voyage.
Comment dites-vous cela?
Ça se dit invasion.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, "How do you say this?"
Comment dites-vous cela?
Imagine it's the word giraffe. Do you remember how to say giraffe?
Girafe. Girafe.
Say, "It's giraffe."
Ça se dit girafe.
Now answer the question saying, "It's giraffe."
Comment dites-vous cela?
Ça se dit girafe.
Now imagine the word is travel. Do you remember how to say travel?
Voyage. Voyage.
Say, "It's travel."
Ça se dit voyage.
Now answer the question saying it's travel.
Comment dites-vous cela?
Ça se dit voyage.
Now imagine the word is invasion. Do you remember how to say invasion?
Invasion. Invasion.
Say, "It's invasion."
Ça se dit invasion.
Now answer the question saying it's invasion.
Comment dites-vous cela?
Ça se dit invasion.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to ask someone how something is said. You are now able to ask how to say something like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us, which word do you think is the hardest to pronounce? Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!
In this video, you learned 20 of the most common words and phrases in French. Hi everybody! My name is Leah. Welcome to the 800 Core French Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in French. But there is a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you've learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at FrenchPod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master French. Okay, let's get started. First is brosser, brush, brosser, brosser, brush. Se brosser les cheveux. To brush your hair. Se brosser les cheveux. Doucher. Shower. Doucher. Doucher. Shower. Je me douche le matin. I take a shower in the mornings. Je me douche le matin. Laver. Wash. Laver. Laver. Wash. Laver les vêtements. Wash the clothes. Laver les vêtements. Partir. Leave. Partir. Partir. Leave. Je pars maintenant. I'm leaving now. Je pars maintenant. Chèque. Check. Chèque. Chèque. Check. Puis-je avoir le chèque, s'il vous plaît? Could I get the check, please? Puis-je avoir le chèque, s'il vous plaît? 66. 66. 66. 66. 66. J'ai couru pendant 66 minutes. I ran for 66 minutes. J'ai couru pendant 66 minutes. 77. 77. 77. 77. 77. Le numéro de sa porte est le 77. His door number is 77. Le numéro de sa porte est le 77. 88. 88. 88. 88. 88. L'entreprise compte 88 employés. The company has 88 employees. L'entreprise compte 88 employés. 99. 99. 99. 99. 99. Son grand-père a 99 ans. His grandfather is 99 years old. Son grand-père a 99 ans. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. C'est 100 euros. It's 100 euros. C'est 100 euros. Salle de séjour. Living room. Salle de séjour. Salle de séjour. Living room. Allons prendre le thé dans la salle de séjour. Let's have some tea in the living room. Allons prendre le thé dans la salle de séjour. Salle à manger. Dining room. Salle à manger. Salle à manger. Dining room. La salle à manger est à côté de la cuisine. The dining room is next to the kitchen. La salle à manger est à côté de la cuisine. Couloir. Hallway. Couloir. Couloir. Hallway. Ne cours pas dans les couloirs. Don't run in the hallways. Ne cours pas dans les couloirs. Appartement. Apartment. Appartement. Appartement. Apartment. Nous devons libérer l'appartement. We have to vacate the apartment. Nous devons libérer l'appartement. Maison. House. Maison. Maison. House. C'est une jolie maison. It's a beautiful house. C'est une jolie maison. Exercice. Exercise. Exercice. Exercice. Exercise. Le professeur corse cet exercice. The teacher makes the exercise more difficult. Le professeur corse cet exercice. Ouvert. Open. Ouvert. Ouvert. Open. Jusqu'à quelle heure êtes-vous ouvert? How late are you open until? Jusqu'à quelle heure êtes-vous ouvert? Écoutez. Listen. Écoutez. Écoutez. Listen. J'aime écouter la radio avant d'aller dormir. I like to listen to the radio before going to sleep. J'aime écouter la radio avant d'aller dormir. Anniversaire. Birthday. Anniversaire. Anniversaire. Birthday. Je vais à une fête d'anniversaire ce soir. I'm going to a birthday party this evening. Je vais à une fête d'anniversaire ce soir. Prendre sa retraite. Retire. Prendre sa retraite. Prendre sa retraite. Retire. Mon père va prendre sa retraite l'année prochaine. My father is going to retire next year. Mon père va prendre sa retraite l'année prochaine. Well done! In this lesson, you expanded your vocabulary and learned 20 new useful words. Click the link in the description and sign up for free at FrenchPod101.com to get access to the full list of vocabulary you need for daily life conversation. You also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources. See you next time! Au revoir! In this video, you learned 20 of the most common words and phrases in French. Hi everybody! My name is Leah. Welcome to the 800 Core French Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in French. But there is a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you've learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at FrenchPod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master French. Okay, let's get started. First is dehors. Outside. Dehors. Dehors. Outside. Il fait à peine 1 degré dehors. It is barely 1 degree outside. Il fait à peine 1 degré dehors. Intérieur. Inside. Intérieur. Intérieur. Inside. Nous avons besoin de faire rentrer le chien à l'intérieur avant qu'il fasse noir. We need to bring the dog inside before it gets dark. Nous avons besoin de faire rentrer le chien à l'intérieur avant qu'il fasse noir. Gauche. Left. Gauche. Gauche. Left. Il est à gauche sur la photo. He's on the left in the picture. Il est à gauche sur la photo. Droite. Right. Droite. Droite. Right. Tournez à droite au prochain feu. Turn right at the next light. Tournez à droite au prochain feu. Première. First. Première. Première. First. La première fois, c'est toujours la plus difficile. The first time is always the most difficult. La première fois, c'est toujours la plus difficile. Deuxième. Second. Deuxième. Deuxième. Second. Pour mon 2e anniversaire, mon cadeau était un animal en peluche. On my 2nd birthday, my present was a stuffed animal. Pour mon 2e anniversaire, mon cadeau était un animal en peluche. Troisième. Third. Troisième. Troisième. Third. C'est ma 3e galette des rois de la saison. It's my 3rd king cake this season. C'est ma 3e galette des rois de la saison. Savon. Soap. Savon. Savon. Soap. Se baigner avec du savon et de l'eau tous les jours. Bathe with soap and water every day. Se baigner avec du savon et de l'eau tous les jours. Brosse à dents. Toothbrush. Brosse à dents. Brosse à dents. Toothbrush. J'ai oublié ma brosse à dents. I forgot my toothbrush. J'ai oublié ma brosse à dents. Dentifrice. Toothpaste. Dentifrice. Dentifrice. Toothpaste. Nous n'avons plus de dentifrice. We are out of toothpaste. Nous n'avons plus de dentifrice. Shampoing. Shampoo. Shampoing. Shampoing. Shampoo. Si vous avez du shampoing dans les yeux, rincez-le avec de l'eau immédiatement. If some of the shampoo gets in your eyes, rinse them with water immediately. Si vous avez du shampoing dans les yeux, rincez-le avec de l'eau immédiatement. Information. 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 J'obtiens les informations à partir d'Internet. I gather information from the Internet. J'obtiens les informations à partir d'Internet. Agriculteur. Farmer. Agriculteur. Agriculteur. Farmer. L'agriculteur s'occupe de sa récolte. The farmer takes care of his harvest. L'agriculteur s'occupe de sa récolte. Secrétaire. Secretary. Secrétaire. Secrétaire. Secretary. Ma secrétaire est organisée et méticuleuse. My secretary is organized and detailed. Ma secrétaire est organisée et méticuleuse. Banquier. Banker. Banquier. Banquier. Banker. J'ai vu 10 banquiers avant d'obtenir un prêt pour acheter une maison. I met with 10 bankers before I received a loan to buy a house. J'ai vu 10 banquiers avant d'obtenir un prêt pour acheter une maison. Écrivain. Writer. Écrivain. Écrivain. Writer. Je travaille comme dentiste, mais je veux être écrivain. I work as a dentist, but I really want to be a writer. Je travaille comme dentiste, mais je veux être écrivain. Essayez. Try. Essayez. Essayez. Try. Il ne faut pas essayer, il faut réussir. You must not try, you have to succeed. Il ne faut pas essayer, il faut réussir. Mesurer. Measure. Mesurer. Mesurer. Measure. Mesurer sa taille avec un mètre ruban. Measure your height with a tape measure. Mesurer sa taille avec un mètre ruban. Garder. Keep. Garder. Garder. Keep. Tu peux garder le sac, j'en ai un autre. You can keep the bag, I have another one. Tu peux garder le sac, j'en ai un autre. Attendre. Wait. Attendre. Attendre. Wait. Je déteste attendre les gens. I hate to wait for people. Je déteste attendre les gens. Well done! In this lesson, you expanded your vocabulary and learned 20 new useful words. Click the link in the description and sign up for free at FrenchPod101.com to get access to the full list of vocabulary you need for daily life conversation. You also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources. See you next time! Au revoir! In this video, you learned 20 of the most common words and phrases in French. Hi everybody! My name is Leah. Welcome to the 800 Core French Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in French. But there is a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you've learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at FrenchPod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master French. Okay, let's get started. First is bouilloire. Kettle. Bouilloire. Bouilloire. Kettle. Le thé est dans la bouilloire. The tea is in the kettle. Le thé est dans la bouilloire. Casserole. Pot. Casserole. Casserole. Pot. Cette casserole date de 10 ans. That pot is 10 years old. Cette casserole date de 10 ans. Grenouille. Frog. Grenouille. Grenouille. Frog. Les grenouilles sont des sauteuses et des nageuses hors pair. Frogs are exceptional jumpers and swimmers. Les grenouilles sont des sauteuses et des nageuses hors pair. Pigeon. 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 Ne nourrissez pas les pigeons. Don't feed the pigeons. Ne nourrissez pas les pigeons. Guide touristique. Guidebook. Guide touristique. Guide touristique. Guidebook. Un guide touristique te donnera des informations utiles pour ton voyage. A guidebook will give you helpful information for your trip. Un guide touristique te donnera des informations utiles pour ton voyage. Entrée. Entrance. Entrée. Entrée. Entrance. Où est l'entrée? Where is the entrance? Où est l'entrée? entrée. Guide touristique. Tour guide. Guide touristique. Guide touristique. Tour guide. Le guide touristique connaît bien la région. The tour guide knows the region well. Le guide touristique connaît bien la région. Réservation. Reservation. Réservation. Réservation. Reservation. Avez-vous une réservation? Do you have a reservation? Avez-vous une réservation? Passeport. Passport. Passeport. Passeport. Passport. J'ai perdu mon passeport. I lost my passport. J'ai perdu mon passeport. Informatique. Computer science. Informatique. Informatique. Computer science. Les cours d'informatique sont le lundi. Computer science classes are on Mondays. Les cours d'informatique sont le lundi. Maths. 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 Je n'aime pas étudier les maths. I don't like to study math. Je n'aime pas étudier les maths. Sentir. Feel. Sentir. Sentir. Feel. Manger du yaourt vous fait vous sentir mieux. Eating yogurt makes you feel better. Manger du yaourt vous fait vous sentir mieux. Dessiner. Draw. Dessiner. Dessiner. Draw. J'ai demandé à l'illustrateur de me dessiner un dessin. I asked the illustrator to draw me a picture. J'ai demandé à l'illustrateur de me dessiner un dessin. Plan. 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 Ce plan semble diabolique. This plan sounds devilish. Ce plan semble diabolique. Vente. Sale. Vente. Vente. Sale. Le service de vente permet le développement de l'entreprise. The sales department is driving company's growth. Le service de vente permet le développement de l'entreprise. Faire du shopping. Shopping. Faire du shopping. Faire du shopping. Shopping. Hier, je suis allée faire du shopping avec mes amis. Yesterday, I went shopping with my girlfriends. Hier, je suis allée faire du shopping avec mes amis. 4e. Fourth. 4e. 4e. Fourth. Tourne à droite au 4e feu. Turn right at the fourth traffic signal. Tourne à droite au 4e feu. 5e. Fifth. 5e. 5e. Fifth. À la fête de mon 5e anniversaire, il y avait un clown effrayant. At my 5th birthday party, there was a scary clown. À la fête de mon 5e anniversaire, il y avait un clown effrayant. 6e. Sixth. 6e. 6e. Sixth. J'ai reçu des habits d'école pour mon 6e anniversaire. I received school clothes for my 6th birthday. J'ai reçu des habits d'école pour mon 6e anniversaire. 7e. Seventh. 7e. 7e. Seventh. Tout le monde chante durant la 7e manche du match de baseball. Everyone sings during the 7th inning of a baseball game. Tout le monde chante durant la 7e manche du match de baseball. Well done! In this lesson, you expanded your vocabulary and learned 20 new useful words. Click the link in the description and sign up for free at FrenchPod101.com to get access to the full list of vocabulary you need for daily life conversation. You also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources. See you next time! Au revoir!
Hi Watchers! Are you coming to France soon? Because this week we are going to learn about 20 travel phrases you should know. Merci, thank you. Anytime you receive something or someone was nice to you. Merci, thank you. Excusez-moi, excuse me. Anytime you bump into someone, or if you step on the foot because the metro is crowded, or if you need to call for the waiter's attention, use this one. Excusez-moi, combien ça coûte? How much is this? Yeah, sometimes you won't find the prices on the items you are looking for, especially if you're going to a flea market in France. So just go, this item, how much is it? Cet objet, combien ça coûte? Où est la gare? Where is the train station? This one can be quite convenient. If you are in a big city, where is the metro? Où est le métro? Le Wi-Fi est-il gratuit? Is the Wi-Fi free? If you want Wi-Fi in France, maybe some coffee shops now have it. They advertise it on the chalkboard outside. So come inside, we have Wi-Fi. Je voudrais ceci. I'd like this. Oh, I'd like this, please. Je voudrais ceci, s'il vous plaît. If you don't know the name of the item you want in the menu, you can just point and say, je voudrais ceci. I want this, please. Pourrions-nous avoir le menu, s'il vous plaît? Could we have the menu, please? Usually you have to ask for it. Sometimes the place is very crowded, so ask. Le menu, s'il vous plaît? Could we have the menu, please? Avez-vous des recommandations? Do you have any recommendations? If you are at a bar and want for some cocktail, it can be like, oh, I like something fruity. Do you have any recommendation? J'aimerais quelque chose de fruité. Avez-vous des recommandations? And then the bartender will make you some fancy cocktail. Je suis allergique aux cacahuètes. I'm allergic to peanuts. If you have any allergies, be sure to ask whenever you are going out or trying to eat something. People will be really nice about it, and sometimes it's even on the menu. If you have any allergies, there will be a sign saying, yes, this contains nut, or this contains milk, or this contains gluten, and you can make sure that you don't eat something you don't want to ingest. Avez-vous des plats végétariens? Do you have any vegetarian dishes? If you're vegetarian or vegan, there will also be a sign very often on the menu saying this dish contains no meat, or this is vegan safe, it's made with no animal grease or eggs or milk. Pourrais-je avoir l'addition? Could I have the check? Pourrais-je avoir l'addition s'il vous plaît? Could I have the check please? Prenez-vous la carte de crédit? Do you take credit card? Can I pay by credit card? Puis-je payer avec ma carte de crédit? Tiens. Pourriez-vous me prendre en photo, s'il vous plaît? Could you take a picture of me, please? What, you don't have your selfie stick? Come on, that's something every traveler should have. 1, 2, 3, oui, Titi. Je voudrais un siège non-fumeur, s'il vous plaît. I'd like to have a non-smoking seat, please. Well, restaurants in France have banned smoking inside for a couple of years now. So every restaurant you go to should be non-smoking. Smoking is only allowed in bars. Good luck with that. Do you have non-smoking seats? Avez-vous des sièges non-fumeurs? Pourriez-vous me donner un rabais? Could you give me a discount? Un peu moins cher? A little bit cheaper? This is again if you go to flea market, and especially on Sundays, you will have a bunch of sellers selling stuff from their homes. You can negotiate the price a lot over there. And getting an item half price is really common. So you can un peu moins cher. Ou est-ce que je pourrais avoir un rabais? S'il vous plaît. Give me a discount, please. Or make it cheaper. A tiny bit cheaper. Okay, more cheap, even cheaper. Way cheaper. Okay, give it to me, free, now. Pourrais-je obtenir un plan? Could I get a map? Plan would be more map of something you want inside, for example, if you're in a museum. And if you're outside and got lost and go to the information center, for example, you can ask, pourrais-je avoir une carte? Could I get a map? J'ai une réservation. I have a reservation. When you get to a restaurant and have a reservation, they will often ask you at the front desk, so do you have a reservation? Avez-vous une réservation? You can say, yes, I have a reservation. Oui, j'ai une réservation. Puis-je essayer? Can I try this on? Yeah, if you want to try some clothes, you can ask the staff. Puis-je essayer ceci? Can I try this? Parlez-vous anglais? Do you speak English? French people aren't really good at speaking English, but they will try their best. So if you find someone and cannot express yourself in French properly, and ask them, parlez-vous anglais? Do you speak English? They may say, no, not that much, but no, je ne parle pas beaucoup, ou je ne parle pas anglais. The most common sentence I learn in every language is, a beer, please. Une bière, s'il vous plaît. Anytime it's summer, it's hot, and you want something fresh, une bière, s'il vous plaît. A beer, please, to go with your nice meal or just to freshen up and chill with friends. So that's it for this week. What's your most used travel sentence? Leave me a comment to let me know. And if you want to learn more French, don't forget to check the website, FrenchPod101.com. We'll see you next time. See you. Travel time! Travel time! Hi everyone! Are you ready for summer? Or for a holiday? Or both? Let's check today what you can do for the summer holiday in France. Let's go! Voyager à l'étranger. To travel abroad. Voyager à l'étranger. To travel abroad. J'adore voyager à l'étranger. I love to travel abroad. Do you love to travel abroad? And have you ever been abroad? So, let me in the comment where you've been. Se détendre à la plage. To relax at the beach. Se détendre à la plage. To relax at the beach. Ils se détendent à la plage. They are relaxing at the beach. Don't forget the sunscreen because the sun can get pretty tough. Then you burn and then you be shrimp. Apprendre le français avec FrenchPod101.com or apprendre le français avec FrenchPod101.com. To learn French with FrenchPod101.com. Apprendre le français avec FrenchPod101.com. To learn French with FrenchPod101.com. Nous apprenons le français avec FrenchPod101.com tous les jours. We learn French with FrenchPod101.com every day. Or if you want to sound French, you can say Nous apprenons le français avec FrenchPod101.com. Yeah, you can also enjoy summer and the holiday to learn something new. Like French. Apprendre à cuisiner français. To learn to cook French food. Apprendre à cuisiner français. To learn to cook French food. Voulez-vous apprendre à cuisiner français? Do you want to learn how to cook French food? So yeah, if you guys are interested, let me know. Maybe we can do a cooking video sometime. Faire un barbecue. To have a barbecue. Faire un barbecue. To have a barbecue. Yummy! I like barbecue. Ils ont fait un barbecue la semaine dernière. They had a barbecue last week. Faire la fête toute la nuit. To party all night. Faire la fête toute la nuit. To party all night. Les étudiants aiment faire la fête toute la nuit. Not only the students, come on. Don't drink and drive. Se faire bronzer. To get a tan. Se faire bronzer. To get a tan. Elles se sont fait bronzer cet été. They got a tan this summer. Again, don't forget the sunscreen. Faire de la randonnée. To go hiking. Faire de la randonnée. To go hiking. Nous faisons de la randonnée tous les ans. We hike every year. Travailler à mi-temps. To work a part-time job. Travailler à mi-temps. To work a part-time job. Je travaille à mi-temps. I work a part-time job. S'amuser avec ses amis. To have fun with friends. S'amuser avec ses amis. To have fun with friends. Je m'amuse tous les week-ends avec mes amis. I have fun with my friends every weekend. Come on, you're on holiday. You don't have to do it on the weekend. You can do it all week, every day, for 2 months. So leave me a comment with your favorite summer activity or your favorite summer video game, because why not? No one wants to go out and burn in the sun, am I right? And I will see you next time. Bye-bye! Hi watchers, and welcome back to French Holidays. This week holiday is Victory Day. What did we do to be victorious? I don't know. Let's discover it together. Armistice de la Seconde Guerre mondiale. Victory in Europe Day. So armistice is when we sign a treaty saying not to fight each other, and it's on the 8th of May 1945. And it was peace. Yay! Next one. Guerre, war. Yeah, war. War is bad. La guerre, c'est mal. Please don't fight each other, make peace instead. Next one is armée, army. To join the army, rejoindre l'armée. In France, we used to have some mandatory army service time, but it got cancelled, and now you only have to go there one day and they tell you about how great the army is. Please join, because they're lacking people. Next one. Alliés, allies. Like France allies were Great Britain and USA, and at some point Russia, but maybe Italy, but not. That's why I didn't read history, because it was complicated. So the allies. French people's friends. They freed us. Ooh. Next one. Capitulation. Capitulation. When you put a white flag out, it means you capitulate. So you'll be like, no, please don't throw bombs at us anymore. Quand on sort le drapeau blanc, on capitule. When you put out the white flag, you capitulate. Next one is the end. So if you know better than me, and you probably do, about Armistice Day in France, leave us a comment about it. And don't forget to subscribe for more silly holidays video. See you next time. À bientôt. The fans are gonna be like, you said crap again. Welcome back, watchers, and this time we're going to talk about French holidays. And this holiday is Labor Day. What's Labor Day? First word is Fête du Travail, Labor Day. So Fête du Travail is on May 1st. On this occasion, people don't work. which is usual in France to not work, but these days they work even less. And you buy a muguet, which is this flower. You decorate your house with muguet, which is May lily. It smells really nice. Next one, classe ouvrière, working class. It's your average French person working in an average company and going to work in the morning, getting his salary and going back home in the night. A famous expression you hear with this is métro, boulot, dodo, which is metro, work and sleep, because that's all they do. Next one, salarié, employee. Employee are employed by a company. They are not freelance unless they employ themselves. So on these days, the employees of the working class don't work. Salarié literally means guys who get a salary. Next. Manifestation, demonstration. Manifestation is when it's a strike and when people be like, we are not happy about stuff, because that's what French people do best. But usually they're doing it on a working day, so they get more holidays, you know, like just the day before or just the day after, or both. So they have a 3-day weekend and be like, we are not happy, give us more holiday. Did you know that France is the country with the most holidays in the world? Next one, grève, strike. Manifestation is kind of a strike. When you are doing a manifestation, you are en grève. French strikes are pretty famous, like the train strike and the metro strike and the plane strike. Next one, at the end. So enjoy Labor Day. Be lazy, smell some nice flower, don't eat them or else you will die, they are poisonous ones. And give me a comment about what would you do on Labor Day. See you next time for more French holidays. Bye. I like my job here. Ooh, look, it's French Halloween with Leah and Mr. Skeleton. Can we have candy in there? And there was light. Boo! 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 Did I scare you guys? Hey, watchers, and welcome to the French Halloween. How are you doing today? This week's theme is Halloween. Well, what are you guys doing for Halloween? Leave a comment below. First word is citrouille, pumpkin. We have just one pumpkin right here. You can make pumpkin soup, la soupe de citrouille. It's so nice and warm in the winter. Sculpter des citrouilles. Pumpkin carving. Send a comment with a picture of your pumpkin carving for this Halloween. Yeah. Next one is une friandise ou un sort. Trick or treat. You go knock knock. Une friandise ou un sort. Or give us candy, please. Candy, please. Hey, une friandise ou un sort. And hang out your bag and people will put the candy inside. Go on and have candies, go on. Yeah, it smells so sugary. Next one, fantôme, a ghost. Scary ghost stories, des histoires de fantômes. You should tell ghost stories for Halloween. You're a skeleton. Where is your ghost? Oh, you can dress up as a ghost, se déguiser en fantôme. Sorcière, a witch. You're a witch. Tu es une sorcière. Hey, look, it's a fancy apple. And be like, the witch's apple, la pomme de la sorcière. Witches have long crooked noses. Les sorcières ont des longs nez crochus. Next one, squelette, skeleton, friend here. Sit on my lap. Hey, look, I'm dating a skeleton. Je sors avec un squelette. We hang out skeleton in the office for Halloween. On accroche des squelettes dans le bureau pour Halloween. Do you do this in your own office? Because you should. And it's the end! So I hope you can now celebrate Halloween in French and find something funny to disguise yourself at. So see you next week. See ya! Macaron, chacaron, macaron, chacaron. Wah, 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 wah.
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.